Back with another version of Dustsilver D84 mechanical keyboard, but in white this time. From the look of it, this keyboard has Gundum written all over. This is my second D84 from this company. I love this keyboard so much, decided to get my hand on the second one. I will do a second video on the real Gundam theme keycaps switch out for this keyboard in the future. This video is not sponsored by Dustsilver, nor did they contact me. I purchased this with my own money. Now without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. Nothing special, basic packaging. Just a sticker slapped on the box depicting the keyboard. Nothing to be thrilled about. Decided to go with the red switches this time around. The typing sounds quiet, even my son take notice on that. Got all the shortcut keys down to memory on how to change the RGB backlit, except on how to check the battery status. Not even sure if you could check the battery status at all. I don't see it in the manual. Let me know in the comments section if you could check the battery status. I wonder why this keyboard is not as popular to a YouTuber who review this sort of things. Not a single Dustsilver D84 in white on YouTube. Maybe one or two that I don't see it yet. I give this a like. Have been using it for a month now. Oh, the RGB backlit really shine through with this one. Bright enough compared to other that I own. Stay tuned toward the end of this video. I will do a typing test and you will be the judge on the sound. Now let's take out the escape key and switch it with the monitor keycaps, making it funky.